Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the CCCU Assembly. We are so close to the end of the year now, but it's really important to finish off well and to finish off strongly, because it's not just at the start when everybody's up for a good start, it's how you finish that really counts. So we need to finish the year really, really well. So it is our penultimate week. That means the week before the last week. So we know what we're aiming for at Grange. We have our CC way. I want to praise all of you for the brilliant CC salutes I see. You're giving me so many CC salutes, and it makes me so proud. It makes me feel Grange really is a special school. It's our school. We all belong. We have a great caring attitude. We do care, even sometimes when it's difficult, because we try our best. And when we make a mistake or we fail, but we've tried our best and we've really cared, then we learn from our mistakes, from our failures. We learn from them and we grow and we go forward. We improve and we make progress. And we use everything we learn to help us to make good choices as we go forward in life. And we never give up. We are Grange CC learners. We belong. We're proud of ourselves. That's why we give our CC salute with pride. We know it's very important to be physically healthy, to have physical strength, to eat well, to sleep enough, to exercise. Those are really, really important things. We know that our real strength comes from inside us, and that's our character strength. When we really, truly try our best and be our best, when we use our strength of character, then we can overcome any challenge, as difficult as it is, as much as it hurts, as hard as it is. We can solve a problem, we can face the challenge. And that's why at Grange we say what really counts is your character strength, who you are, being the best that you can be. And that at Grange we say is our CC way. That's confidence for ourselves. That's always believing in ourselves, even when others want to put us down, or it's easy for the negative voice in our head to just put us down and say we failed. We say, no, I believe in me and I'm never going to give up. I'm always going to try and be my best. And we have consideration for everybody around us and for the world around us. We are caring people. We are kind people. We know that kindness is strength. We care about the world. If the world does better, that's better for everybody. It's better for me as well. So confidence and consideration, we get the balance right. So yes, some pupils of hope. Christina, always so positive, always so friendly. Adam, again, always so positive, always so strong. Even when you hurt yourself recently, so brave and so strong. And the whole of CLE class, I really enjoyed coming to see you on Friday afternoon and reading with you and hearing your writing about the big bad wolf and why you actually felt that we should be kind to the big bad wolf and not call him the big bad wolf, but try and understand what was going on in that story. So well done, CLE class. You give me a lot of hope with your writing and your thinking. There's the wiggle for you. Here's our character strength focus. So it's hope. And it's really important to live with hope. And hope means everyone should get a chance. Everyone should be able to embrace the challenge and have a go to be their best. And with being their best, even if they made a mistake, they learn from the mistake, they grow from the mistake. That's the CC way. Remember star sitting? We're not just sitting when we're learning. We're star sitting. We're opening up learning pathways for ourselves. We sit up straight. We track the speaker. We ask and respond like pupils of power. And we respect everybody around us. We don't distract them. We don't allow them to distract us. We are curiously learning. And the way we live with everybody around us, that's really, really important, really matters. We have to be confident for ourselves. We have to really have consideration for those around us. So remember what we said. It's not just about the people who fit in, who are good at following the rules, who don't make any mistakes. It's not just about them that we care. We care about everybody. We want everybody to succeed. Even those who don't find it that easy, or even those who are different to us. We respect everybody. We don't give up on anybody. And remember all those character strengths that we use to include everybody: kindness, gratitude, forgiveness, perspective, social intelligence. We know how to understand people and have empathy, love. We care about people, and we wanted today to hear more about the zones. So, the first thing to understand is a zone means a place. But there's no such thing as a bad zone. There are only different zones, and when you are in each zone, it's important to know how I can behave in that zone to help me to be my best, not just for myself, but for everybody around me, so that I can really have confidence and consideration. So the blue zone is the kind of zone when you're a little bit sleepy, a little bit tired, a little bit low in energy, a little bit down maybe. That's the blue zone. And sometimes when you're in the blue zone, it's important to just like wake oneself up a little bit, lift oneself up, even heat oneself up a bit, so that you can make sure that you're learning, that you're understanding what you need to do. But the blue zone is important to understand. So right now, for example, I feel a little bit in the blue zone because I'm a bit tired and I'm a bit sad about the England-Italy game. I'm sad for the players because they did their best and they tried their hardest. But what I do when I'm in the blue zone like that, I use my character strength of perspective. And I think to myself, they really did their best. They really tried their hardest. And they were great, the England team. And we're really proud of them. And although it hurts to lose like that, really so proud of them. And I think they're going to learn from this and get even stronger. So that's the blue zone. Then there's the green zone. The green zone is like a kind of when you've got that traffic light, green for go. So the green zone is when you're just the right balance. You're not overexcited. You're not too low. You know exactly what you need to do so that you can concentrate and learn. Then there's the yellow zone. Yellow zone feeling a little bit wobbly because maybe a bit overexcited, maybe you're having so much fun or playing with your friends and you're getting so overexcited, and maybe it's getting a little bit dangerous that because one's so overexcited, one might make a decision that's not the best decision. And that's why when you're in the yellow zone, you've got to just find ways to calm yourself. And there's amazing techniques we'll learn about. My personal favorite one is called lazy 8 breathing. And then there's the red zone. And sometimes we all get in the red zone because that's part of being human. When we lose it, we're so upset, we're so anxious, we're so worried, we get into the red zone. But the thing with the red zone, again, there are ways to help us to know I'm in the red zone. For example, I can just walk away. I can just go and find a quiet space. Even in our school, sometimes we have little tents or reading corners. And if you're in the red zone, is to just go in there and just calm yourself. Maybe afterwards you can apologize to your teacher for just leaving or something like that. But the main thing is, as long as people know you're safe, if you just take a bit of space to just calm down, that's the red zone. So there's no such thing as a bad zone. It's just when you're in blue, green, yellow, or red, the thing is to know what's the best way to behave when I'm in those zones so I can really succeed. So we'll talk more about zones um, next assembly and over the next year. We're all going to get brilliant with zones. I read the book about zones of regulation on the beach in this last half term, and it is amazing. I think it's like a secret superpower for all of us. So at Grange, we got our CC way, and we're going to use the zones to really help us always behave the right way and make good choices, great choices for wherever we are. So who are our gold stars of the week? Well, bouncing in is Misa, Joshua, Ubaid, Taranchi, Christina, Kirutika, Sawain, Saja, Daniel, Israr, Saraji, Kaja, Kirat, Ruviana, Tasnim AM, Bahar. Well done. Proud of all of you. So, class champions. We've got Ubaid in John Lennon. We've got Taranchi in John Lennon. We've got Maisa in John Lennon. We've got Tasnim AB in Malala. We've got Jainam in Malala. We've got Ilyas in Malala. We've got Abigail N in Rumi. We've got Tasnim AM in Rumi. We've got Saraji in Rumi. Well done, class champions in year one. We've got Nasser in Klee. We've got Abigail L in Clay. We've got Nia in Klee. Well done. We've got Christina and Matisse. We've got Mustafa S. and Matisse. We've got Karutika and Matisse. We've got Daniel in Picasso. We've got Saja in Picasso. We've got Sawane in Picasso. We are so proud of you, class champions. Here we go, Grange House of Water. Look at that. And over 5,500 points. So we've got Annabella Candice, Nia, Abbas, Mikaya, Kaja, Zain, Isra, Mudassir, Nicole B, Daisy, Alessia, Hassan, Rada, Mate, Sadia, Safia, Kainat, Daniel, Sarah G, Devinza, Omar H, flying in his Dennis N, Maisa, and the swivel goes to Taranchi with the magnificent 156 CC points. Grange House of Fire, 5,789 points. Tabarak Simeon, Abigail L, Saria, Mustafa S, Kush, Bahar, Abigail N, Riyad, Sean, Isaac, Tasnim AB, Mustakim, Haneen, Dalia, Alma, Sophia G, Wadia, Enya, and flying in is Darius, Adam, and the swivel goes to Ruhama with 135 points. Grange House of Air, 5,382 points. Dennis R, Sarah A.T, Mispa, Aram, Yusuf S, Suban, Manar, Ayman, Shakir, Rubiana, Kirat, Houston, Mesk, Yasin, Kaitarani, Malaika, Jainam, Ryan S, Amina, Shreyas, Kaylin, Saja, Paula, Millie, flying in Israel 1, Dylan, and the swivel goes to Ubaid with an incredible 173 points. Grange House of Earth, 6,094, the highest achieving house points this last week. So well done to you. Should have got a swivel. Sorry about that. Well done. Laura, Sarah A, Narissa, Tasnim AM, Clayton, Laryun, Sama, Julia, Nisa, Ilyas, Rukia, Kirutika, Justina, Arena, Joshua, Sawane, Emma, flying in his lean, Izan, and the swivel goes to Gabriella with 1,437 points. The whole Grange community got a brilliant 22,766 points. And you can see that that was progress from the week before that by about 401 points, I think it is. So well done there, everybody. We are making progress. Classy class. So Malala class, well done to you, because in the week before you were in the top of classy classes and you're still in the top 3. Well done to you. Picasso class came roaring back for classy class with 1,752 points, even though you weren't in top 3 the week before. But John Lennon class, look at you, nearly 2,600 points. You were second the week before, but last week you came first. Classy class, John Lennon class, give yourselves a pat on the back. Everybody, let's give them a round of applause. Well done to them. Now, we set ourselves an incredibly ambitious total. We've never done it before, 100,000 points in one half term. Look at us. We've done it. 111,451 points, and we still have 2 weeks to go. So, everybody, we are powerful. We are kind. We are loved. We are Grange. You belong to Grange. We belong to Grange. That's such a special thing. We have our CC way. We know who we are. We have our CC salute. Every time I see somebody with a CC salute, I feel so proud. Every time I see somebody doing CC walking, I'm amazed. I feel proud to be part of Grange because we are going to make it. So remember our Messages of Hope campaign. That is Matisse class. We need to come and chat with you. And we've had Freddie, we've had the reindeer, we've had the pot plants, we've had the handprints, we've had the Messages of Hope. And now, well, we got to more than 100,000 points. So that's it on the last day of term. I'm putting on my trainers. I'm putting my tracksuit. I'm not going to even come in a suit to school. I'm just going to come in my tracksuit and trainers. We're just going to have a wonderful tournament. I'm going to play the whole day. Cricket, football, basketball, debating, chess. We're just going to have a great time. Also, this week, I'm looking who was the classy class of the whole year, 2020, 2021. And you're going to get to leave your legacy. Maybe you'll put handprints on the wall outside your classroom. Maybe you'll write your name in rainbow colors on the wall. Not sure what you'll do, but you'll decide that with your teachers. So look out for who's going to be the classy class of the year to leave your legacy in 2021. So let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's remember we are Grange. Let's be proud to be Grange because we belong. And let's use that to be so powerful to live our lives with confidence and consideration. Let's enjoy the week ahead and be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.